Welcome, eco-warriors and tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a world where robots are our allies in the battle against waste. No, we're not talking about the Terminator deciding to recycle himself.
Thank goodness for that, Mark. I don't think even AI could figure out which bin to put a T-800 in.
Absolutely right, Tom. Instead, we're exploring something far more exciting and less likely to result in the apocalypse: AI-powered recycling and sorting technologies. It's like giving our recycling bins a PhD in waste management. Let's start with a mind-blowing fact. AI-powered optical sorting systems are improving recycling accuracy from about 70% to over 95%. It's like going from a C to an A+ in waste sorting.
That's impressive, Mark. But how exactly are these systems achieving such high grades? Are they cramming all night like I used to?
Not quite, Tom. These overachieving systems use high-resolution cameras and near-infrared spectroscopy, combined with deep learning algorithms. It's like giving them supervision and a supercomputer brain.
So it's less dumpster diving and more data crunching. But what does this mean for our recycling centers?
Well, imagine if your local recycling center suddenly got X-ray vision and a photographic memory. They'd be able to sort through materials faster, more accurately, and with less contamination. It's a game changer for recycling efficiency. Now let's talk about the unsung heroes of the recycling world: robotic arms. These aren't your average gym bros flexing at the recycling center.
Thank goodness for that. The last thing we need is protein shake containers clogging up the system. So what makes these robot arms so special?
Well, Tom, these AI-powered robotic sorters are like the Flash of the recycling world. In one project, they increased a facility's processing capacity by 30% while reducing operating costs by 20%.
Wow, that's like getting a raise and a promotion at the same time. But how do they manage this superhuman feat?
These robots use AI to identify, grasp, and sort a wide variety of materials at speeds that would make your head spin. They're basically playing the world's fastest and most environmentally friendly game of pick up and sort. Now let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. These AI technologies aren't just about sorting trash faster, they're key players in creating a circular economy.
A circular economy? Sounds like a new hipster dance craze, Mark.
Close, but not quite, Tom. The circular economy is all about keeping resources in use for as long as possible, extracting maximum value from them, then recovering and regenerating products and materials at the end of their life.
Ah, so it's less dance floor and more resource floor. How do our AI recycling buddies fit into this circle?
Well, by ensuring materials are properly sorted, AI makes it easier to reuse or repurpose them. It's particularly crucial for complex waste like e-waste, where recovering valuable materials like rare earth elements is key. It's like giving our discarded electronics a chance at reincarnation. Now, Tom, let's take a moment to look at the Wardley map for AI-powered recycling. It's like a strategic treasure map for the waste management world.
Ah, yes, because X marks the spot where we buried all that e-waste. Oh, wait, that's not what we're doing, is it?
Not quite, Tom. This map shows us that AI-powered recycling is a central, evolving component. It's like the cool new kid in school that everyone wants to be friends with.
I see. And what about these other elements like deep learning and blockchain? They seem to be hanging out in the custom-built section.
Good observation, Tom. These are emerging technologies that offer huge potential for innovation. It's like they're the next big thing in recycling fashion, and everyone's scrambling to get them tailored to fit their needs. Well, folks, we've taken quite the journey through the world of AI-powered recycling. From super smart sorting systems to robotic arms that would make Tony Stark jealous, it's clear that AI is revolutionizing how we handle our waste.
Indeed, Mark. It seems the future of recycling is less about garbage in, garbage out, and more about data in, resources out. Who knew trash could be so high-tech?
Absolutely, Tom. And on that note, we encourage all our listeners to keep an eye on these exciting developments. Remember, in the world of AI recycling, one person's trash is another robot's treasure. Until next time, Keep it green and keep it clean.